Akash Sharma here. Welcome to my channel Traders Guide Live. Today we'll discuss our new modifications on indicator my TG Booster 1. I have modified some of the settings. We'll discuss each how my indicator, how to use my indicator, where you can select my indicator once you get access from my side, right? So we'll discuss one by one points, and we'll cover all the things how you can be making your own perfect system, like how you can make your own setup for cross-checking the trades and confirming the trades and avoiding noises, and all points will be covering here. Hello guys, hi. This video I made, I'm adding this video actually to clear your confusion, actually what you are what you will face in this video, many of the users facing in this video about the lines, right? So lines, this is my older indicator, right? I have recently updated TG Booster 1 to the newest version. I've removed these lines, actually the lines which you're seeing that I have already removed, and this short small signals you can see here and here, here, this all I have removed in the new version. Let me show you the new version. This is my new version. In that, lines are removed, short signals are removed, that was interrupting in the during the mobile, to mainly the mobile users as well as tablet users. So that lines I have removed. So mostly I do not think that should be required, as mainly you have to look for the buy condition or the sell condition, confirm with the ADX and MACD, and then you can enter for a specific trade. So still, if you have any confusion, here is my direct number you will get in the scrolling text. You can call me anytime, and any confusion, feel free to talk. Okay, thank you. Thanks. This was the short update I want to update you. So rest of the video you can refer that, but make sure you remove the lines in your mind. The lines you will not get in the future update. This is my new update, what you are seeing on the chart right now. Okay, thank you. One by one. Okay, so let's go to the chart now. Okay, so here we are on the chart. We'll discuss like how to apply my indicator on the chart, how you have to select my indicator, where you can find my indicator from mobile as well as from desktop or laptop. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to the indicator section. You can find over here indicator section, right? And you have to go, you will find my option. Like once I give you the invite only access, you will find option invite only scripts. You have to go to invite only scripts. There you will find my indicators. You can see over here this whole list I will be providing you once you take access, right? For demo access, I generally provide one indicator for demo, as if I provide all the indicators together, you will get very confused. So I generally provide one indicator access, so you do not get confused, right? So for TG Booster 1, you will find that in the list. This is first TG Booster 1. Once you have to apply for a chart, just go to this invite only scripts, then select my indicator TG Booster 1. Once you click a single click on it, it will automatically apply on the chart. You can see on the chart as well, right? So next indicator, this is the main indicator. TG Booster 1 is my main indicator, and there will be two support indicators which you have to apply on chart. That is MACD, TG Booster MACD strategy, and next is TG Booster ADX, that I use for confirming trades and avoiding noises, right? That will be discussed in the next part. So just I have already explained you how you can apply my TG Booster indicator. For selecting, you have to go to the indicator section, then you can select from invite all the scripts TG Booster 1, TG Booster MACD strategy, and TG Booster ADX. You have to select. Once you click single on specific indicator, it will be applied on the chart, right, as it has already applied. Okay, fine. And you can see, if you are new, you can see this is the time frame. You can use it for a time frame. This is for selecting stocks, crypto, commodity, forex, whatever. This my TradingView indicators works on all the platforms, right? You can use for even swing trading. You can use for intraday, positional, everywhere, right? So this is the Bank Nifty 5-minute time frame, and we'll discuss in a later video, right? So this is the setup, how you can apply the indicators on the chart that we have already discussed. Fine. Okay, so let's go to the chart now and discuss regarding same. So this is my TG Booster 1 indicator setup. You can see here there are three indicators applied. One is TG Booster 1 over here. Second is TG Booster MACD strategy, which I use. This is that is very trustable. And third is I using is TG Booster ADX. These three strategies I am using mainly for confirming my trades and everything, each and everything. So let's understand first indicator, how to use first indicator. So whenever you get a signal, example, you got here a sell signal. So I'm what mainly suggest is, just for practice, I'm just explaining you. Just draw a vertical line here. Once you get a sell signal, you can see I have plotted one vertical line, right? Here I got a buy signal. Let's understand buy signal as well, right? This noise will also discuss how why this is the noise, why I'm expecting that, why this is the noise. We'll discuss that as well. Okay, fine. So now let's even we got a short buy signal as well. Let me plot here. Even this is also sell signal, that is confirmed one. Why confirm, that we will discuss. Okay, fine. So let's discuss first the center one. So once you get a sell signal, what you have to look for first indicator TG Booster 1 is minimum two lines should be red, right? If the two line is red, you have to enter from a next candle. If the all three lines are red, you can enter from same candle. You can see here in the sell signal, it's already showing that all three lines are red, 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 and red. All three lines are red, so you can enter from a same candle, right? And your stop loss, where many of the my subscribers and many of my clients also asking where to keep stop loss. So we'll discuss where to keep stop loss. Like, I mainly what I suggest is you have to keep a stop loss as at, like, last high. I can say last high, guys, right? You can see your last high and it's already swing high as well. So mainly what I suggest, like, this is your resistance, the blue dotted line is the resistance part. So I suggest that whether if you have to check the last high and resistance, whichever line you see as far, that point you have to keep as a SL. So at this point, this will be our SL, this point will be our SL. You can see this is high sell signal, this is high, and this is our SL part, right? So this you have to keep it as a SL and go for a trade. And for profit booking, once you enter for a sell signals from same candle, your first profit booking zone will be this next support line. Once it breaks, you can carry forward your trade, and here you can book your profit to a TP2, take profit 2 zone, that will be this 39,761. If that as well break and can't hold the support, then you can still continue your trade to next target. Okay, so that time you can book your profit accordingly. I hope you guys are understanding. If you have any doubts, feel free to call. You can find my number in the scrolling text, guys. Feel free to talk, feel free to solve your questions, doubts, everything, right? So you can see here, this is the condition of TG Booster 1. Now we'll how you can confirm this signal from MACD strategy and ADX, that we'll be discussing. So you can see this is the MACD strategy, right? In MACD strategy, you can see this horizontal line red and green, and this is the center line which is moving, right? So for sell signal, you have to look for upper band, right? You have to look for upper band, and line should be above upper band. Then and then only look for sell signal. Whenever there is a sell signal, line should be above the upper band, right? I can say this is the line which has converted into the sell position, and it's in red, right? So this is a confirmed trade. The signal is also confirming, MACD is also confirming, and this is the ADX. ADX is mainly used for sideways detection, right? And you can also understand what currently trend is going on, whether it's a sell trade is going on, whether it's a buy trade, right? In ADX, you can see there are two lines. In two lines you can see red line as well as green line. Red line indicates DI plus, that indicates directional index plus, that is mainly used to understand the specific trend of plus sorry, that is minus. Red is minus and green is plus. Red indicates selling pressure and green indicates buying pressure. So you can see here guys, there is a line, and you can even see the purple line, center purple line. Center purple line is a level line that is set as 20. You can see here on my back here, it's here, right? So center line is purple. Let me change this color so you can easily understand. Let me convert that color to sky blue. Fine. So I hope you can see the line. Let me do that line thicker. Okay, so this is the center line, right? So mainly for sell signal, you can see this red line is above this center line, right? And whenever you see this orange line, in some cases that will be white line as well, that is indicates ADX line whenever it is above center line, and whatever green or red line is above center line, right? Then you can see a very big move in specific trade. If example it's a sell trade, you can see this line is going upward, ADX line is going upward, then it will be very strong move. You can see already on the chart, right? Fine. So where to book profit at, already I suggested, like once you enter a trade, this will be your profit booking zones, right? Similar for buy, you have to look for line below this lower band. The line is below this lower band and it is green. Here you can see the signal. Here signal is of buy, and there is only two line green, so we have to enter from a next candle. Our first profit booking zone will be this, and second profit booking zone will be this one, right? So you can book your profit accordingly. For SL, you can keep your last low or last support line, whichever is far, you have to keep it as a SL, right? Target I already explained, SL I already explained, right? So let's discuss for this noise. In some cases you will get these fake signals, trapping signals. So how to avoid that signals through MACD, right? So here you can see in MACD, the sell signal has came, all condition has already matched, but MACD confirms that for sell, I already told you, you have to look for sell signal whenever the line is above this upper band, like this. Here you can see the sell signal is below lower band and it is red. So we do not have to consider that specific trade, right guys? So this is the noise. So we do not have to take specific entry in this signal. So now let's discuss next. See, my indicators works on all the market. If you have any confusion, whether it works on crypto, forex, commodity, index, even I can say in some cases, some people are working in these stocks, right? So you can see I opened this Bank Nifty chart. This is Indian based chart, right? Index. Next is crude. Here you can see the crude oil chart. It has given very strong move into buy signal. You can see here MACD is already confirmed. Even this ADX has already confirmed, right? Strong move, strong target. You can, if you have entered specific trade, you can book your target very qualitatively, right? Even all the targets have hit. You can see there are no settings. Any you can modify from your end as well. I always go with default settings. Even I suggest you all to go with the default settings, right? So that it can give you proper results. Okay, so here you can see buy signal has already confirmed. Let me plot a line and show you how to verify the trade. Here MACD is already confirmed, signal is already confirmed, and ADX already confirmed, right? So you can see this ADX green line is above the center line. That indicates that your buy momentum is on and sell momentum is off, right? Similar for sell signal, you can see, let me plot the line. Two lines is red, so you have to enter from a next candle. From here you can see the MACD has already confirmed, MACD strategy has already confirmed your trade. So you can enter for a specific trade. Even ADX also given you the confirmation. So your target will be this and this. These three lines will be your target, right? Even you can see the dashboard whenever you enter for specific trade. There will be dashboard showing you percentage of buying pressure and selling pressure. I mean bullish percentage and bearish percentage. Here specific in crude market, you can see the bullishness is showing like 61 and bearishness is 39. Okay, so you can predict your market future accordingly, and whenever the market is live, the data get updated, table data get updated. Fine. So now let's switch to next chart, that is XAU USD. Many people are working on forex, right? So they can refer this chart. Currently you can see the sell trade is still continue from here. I can say, let me show you. Here we got a buy confirm trade. As I already explained earlier, you can refer my whole video so you can understand very qualitatively, right? Here we got a very short sell trade, very short. Even you can, if you carry forward your trade, then also you can create a big move. Why? Because as per my condition, we have to look for only sell signal above this upper band, right? Whenever the line is above the upper band, we have to look only for sell signal, guys, right? Do not enter in buy trade. So once you enter for specific trade here, you can, and you carry forward your trade. This is 5-minute chart, guys, right? So once you enter here and once you carry forward your trade till the below line is green, your trade will be very successful and you can create many points. Let me show how much points it has covered after entering from next candle till now. You can see, guys, it has covered almost 0.93%, right? 18 points it has covered in XUSD. This is noise again, guys. Let me explain you why it's noise. In MACD you can easily check for the noise. Here you can see the line is above the upper band, so upper band we do not have to consider any buy signal. Only lower band, below lower band, when the line comes below lower band like this, then only you have to look for a buy signal. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding. Even in the morning I have take out one stock named Tata Steel from my this asset tracker, which I also provide in my whole package, right? So you can buy my whole package as well. Even you can see here Bajaj Auto, Finso, Bank India, ACC, Adani Ports, Reliance, Tata Steel, SBI. All these stocks are making buying opportunity. Already they are on the oversold zone, so you can keep your these stocks in your watch list and you can make your position accordingly, guys. Okay, now also I want to discuss 2 points, guys. That is auto trade lines, which you can see on the chart, and another is I have used total 3 support resistance indicators in specific indicator, so you can at least confirm short. You can even book your short profit, long profit, everything will be covered using these indicators, whole package, right? So you can see here it's a auto trade line, right? That is will be mostly automatically plotted on your chart. Whenever the trend changes, it automatically plotted on your chart, right? Suppose like if has, you can see here this specific channel, it's going in a specific channel, right? You can see here you have to wait for the channel breakout, either upside or either downside, then you have to make the specific position for short as well as long, right? Let's see on another chart how it's showing the channel. You can see here it's making a declining wedge, and then you have to wait, check for the specific trade for a breakout. Okay, in next, even here you can see it's a declining wedge formation, right? Even it's a live market XUSD, you can check. Okay, uh let's see here it's making a channel formation, right? So automatically this channel will be formatted. Means once you get a specific resistance on the channel will show you the next specific possibility of trade, right? Example, it has taken the support from here, so line plotted from here, and here it has taken the second support. right? So mostly the channel will be bounce back, and here you can see the resistance it has taken multiple times. It will hit this level first, and then it will move in this channel, and it will be breakout either upside or downside as per the price action strategy. Okay, so all thing is price action based, this all auto trade lines. Another I wanted to confirm one thing, like you can see these orange lines whenever my clients are also asking, like these orange lines and orange candles, what that indicates basically. So this orange line mainly confirms you specific resistance and support. Example, let me show you. This is the buy signal, right? So once you enter from a next candle, you can see here it has rise a lot and got a orange candle from next candle. You can see it has make the top from this candle, and next candle you can see the orange line formation. That indicates in many traders are short term, like they believe in 20-30 points, they're trading 20-30 points. If you want to exit the trade, you can enter exit from that specific orange line, but I won't suggest. Like, I mainly go, you can go even long from my using my indicators, but these are the resistance part. This, it's taking a resistance over here, and it has retested the strategy, and then it went up again, it has taken the resistance again, it has taken the resistance orange line, right? Similar for short position also, you can see this, in this short position you can see it has making this support over here. After the support has break, after retest support has break, and again it has created a support, and it's bouncing back for buy signal, okay, and forming in the channel part. Again, this specific orange candle formation, it's a trend change indication. Once there is a buy signal going on, you will see these orange candles that indicates that buy trade is almost over. Now sell trade will be continue. In some cases you will see buy trade as well as once it complete, again there will be some buy trade, right? But that indicates you channel formation, like trend formation. Like, even you can use it as a, there will be no trade zone, I can say. This orange candle that indicates there is no trade zone. Do not. And again, I wanted to confirm one thing. Many of my clients make the mistake, like, if they see the buy signal, right, always take decision of buy or sell once the candle has formed. Do not enter after 5-6 candles, or after in the next day even, right? Always take decision when you are on the system, and once you have confirmed the trade, and from next candle, if there is a two line confirmation, enter from next candle. But take your decision sharp, right? Do not trade in between. Once you enter a trade, you miss the trade, you saw the message and you can enter over here. Do not do like that. Always trade when the signal arise, and always confirm the signal with MACD and ADX, then enter for a specific trade, guys. Okay, you can see this is the confirmed trade, buy trade, right? You can see the buy trade, it's almost getting over, right? It may rise once, if this orange line is coming up and red line is still down, you can see a good boost even in this buy signal. Okay, so fine, and let's discuss further more now. Now, let me hide this. So all these points mostly I have covered. How to remove noise, how to avoid fake signals, I already explained, right? And how you can make your whole perfect trading setup using my indicators, which I provide, and many of my clients have already made profit using these indicators. Guys, I'm mainly a Hindi guy. I'm making this indicator video for specific you to understand. So I'm speaking very slowly, so I can cover all the points, and you can also understand the concepts what I'm explaining to say, right? So in specific, this indicator, my TG booster 1, you can have three indicators. One, TG booster 1, second is ADX, which I provide, that I use for sideways market detection. Again, I forgot to explain you sideways. Let me show you how you can detect sideways market easily from your end, right? So once, guys, you can see here it's a sideways market. So from ADX you can easily cover sideways market Why? Because once you see this green line, red line below the center line or below the upper line, means below up or down, whenever you see all both lines going simultaneously below the center line. Let me show you the clear example so you can understand very easily. Okay, here you can see this both red and green line is above this upper above the center line. So this portion indicates you sideways market. Again, let me show you another example. Okay, this is here. This also indicate this is the range bound market. You can see here red and green line is below the center line. Once you see red line, green line below center line or above center line, that specific range indicates the range bound market, right? That means sideways market. That clearly you can catch. Even if you are into a trade, you can book your profit accordingly, or you can keep specific watch on that specific range bound specific range for a breakout. Example, if you are watching this and you are just waiting, you have to just wait for a breakout. Just draw a range and wait for a breakout. You can see here the range has already break. Next day market open gap up, you can enter from here and book your profit accordingly. If you enter from specific trade, you can cover almost 80 points, guys. 80 points in a day into stock, that is very high. Okay, 1%, almost 1%, I can say you can cover. Fine. So I hope you have understand all the concepts which I have covered. I mostly covered all details which are required for specific. This is my first indicator TG Booster 1. If you want specific indicator demo, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. This you can find my number in the scrolling text video. Right. So for demo, you can even find one link in the description. Just fill that link. You will get demo accordingly for 2 days. You can refer 2 days trial. You can backtest for 1 month. Do not trade specific. Do not trade in the trial part. Right. Just 2 days trial I'm providing to understand my system. Right. Many people take the trade whenever they are they are fresher and they are new for my system. They trade like directly and they get trapped. Why? They do not follow the concept what I am saying. They do not refer my whole video. That's the reason they are trapping, right? So I'm here to guide you guys. If you have any doubts in detail, if you have like still face any problems, this is my number in the scrolling text. You can call me anytime. We'll sit on any desk. I'll explain you everything. But first, I request you to refer my whole video so it can clear your all your doubts, right? So I hope everything is clear. And I mainly sell my whole package includes TG Booster 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total 7 indicator collection. That includes stock selection process, which I already discussed. That I provide this asset tracker, even I provide stock screener videos for that you can use in trading itself, right? So that will help you for my whole package. That is not, I'm not professional seller. I mainly make this system for my own. It working well. That's the reason I'm selling in a very cheaper rate. Why? Even a small retail trader can afford my rate, right? So I'm done with the video. If you have any doubts, anything, you can just WhatsApp me. Just like my video, share with your friends which are new to the trading, and those if you are satisfied using my indicators, those are already bought my indicators, they can refer this video again and again so you can clear your doubts. And if you still want any help, if you need any support via any desk, you can call me on my WhatsApp number. It's my direct WhatsApp number. Even you can call. I mainly suggest you can call me first, then a WhatsApp. Okay, fine. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. And if you like my video, just subscribe to my channel. So even your friends, even your circle, you can share. Right, that will boost me uh, and hope you have a wonderful trading in future. Right, if you want to buy this indicator, you can just contact me via WhatsApp. And fine. Okay, done. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.